house water filtration systems. Are they worth the investment? Hey homeowners, are you still drinking tap water and wondering if a whole house filtration system is actually worth the massive upfront cost? What if I told you there's a hidden cost analysis that could save you thousands of dollars while dramatically improving your family's health? Today, we're revealing the complete truth about whole house water filtration investments. And trust me, once you understand these facts, you'll know exactly whether this upgrade makes financial sense for your home. But seriously, can one filtration system really be worth $2,000 to $5,000 up front? And why do some families swear by whole house systems while others think they're a waste of money? Let's solve these water filtration mysteries once and for all. First, let's address what whole house water filtration actually does. Unlike point-of-use filters that only treat water at one faucet, whole house systems filter all water entering your home. Every tap, shower, appliance, and toilet. It's literally transforming your entire water supply. So, are whole house filtration systems really worth the investment? Here's the complete cost-benefit breakdown you need to know. Here are the 3 key factors that determine if whole house filtration is worth it. First, water quality issues. What's actually in your water matters tremendously for ROI. If you have hard water, chlorine taste, sediment, or contaminants, a whole house system addresses all these issues simultaneously. But here's what's crucial. The worse your water quality, the more valuable the investment becomes. Second, long-term cost savings. How much are you currently spending on bottled water, individual filters, and appliance repairs? Most families spend $500 to $1,200 annually on water-related costs without realizing it. A whole house system can eliminate these expenses while extending appliance lifespans. Third, health and convenience value. What's the value of having clean water from every tap without thinking about it? Whole house systems provide filtered water for drinking, cooking, bathing, and cleaning. Comprehensive protection that point-of-use filters can't match. So what makes whole house filtration truly worth the investment? Here's the breakdown. For families with poor water quality, absolutely worth it. If you're dealing with chlorine taste, hard water, or sediment issues, whole house systems solve everything while paying for themselves through reduced costs. For health-conscious households, the investment makes sense. Removing chlorine, heavy metals, and contaminants from all water sources provides protection you can't get any other way. For long-term homeowners, excellent ROI potential. If you're staying 5+ years, the cumulative savings often exceed the system cost. Now, here are 4 investment tips to maximize your whole house filtration ROI. Investment tip number 1. Get professional water testing first. Don't guess what's in your water. This $100 to $200 test can save you thousands on the wrong system. Investment tip number 2. Calculate your current water-related expenses. Add up bottled water, individual filters, and appliance repairs. Most families spend much more than expected. Investment tip number 3. Choose systems with long filter life cycles. Systems requiring frequent filter changes cost much more long-term than those with annual replacement schedules. Investment tip number 4. Consider financing options for quality systems. Many manufacturers offer 0% financing that spreads costs while you immediately start saving. What about realistic payback timelines? Here's your expectation guide. High water usage families, 2 to 4 years payback period. Average families with quality issues, 3 to 5 years payback. Families with minimal problems, 5 to 7 years payback. The bottom line, for most homeowners with water quality issues, whole house filtration systems are genuinely worth the investment when you factor in long-term savings, health benefits, and convenience value. Have you considered a whole house water filtration system? What's holding you back, or what convinced you to invest? Drop a comment below with your questions. If this video helped you understand whole house filtration ROI, smash that like button. Subscribe for more honest home improvement investment advice, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, this is Kitchen Deals for You, where we help you make smart investments for your home and family.